Hello, I'm coming with a great new update for Youtubomatic. Starting from now, it will be able to import also playlists and related videos to a specific video. So these two features were added right now to the plugin. Okay, so let's check these features out. First of all, uh, let's enter here a star. This means that the plugin should import everything from the restrictions we make in the advanced settings. And here, let's go ahead and input here a playlist ID. This is the new settings field that we have in the latest version of the plugin. And let's go ahead and search for a playlist. Let's say this one. The playlist where I have the tutorial videos for Youtubomatic, and we have to copy its ID from the URL of the video. So let's paste the URL and let's leave only the ID. The rest can be deleted. So this is the ID of the playlist. Okay, now let's go ahead and save settings. Let's import 5 videos for now, and let's run the rule. Let's check on our blog. Here are already the posts imported. Let's check one of our videos. So here it is. Hello. And it's the video description. So yeah. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check on another feature that was added right now, is the search videos that are related to a video ID. So let's delete the playlist and search for a random video on YouTube on dog subject. So let's copy the URL of the dog subjected video and leave only the ID of the video. The ID is this string. Leave only this and save settings. Now let's delete all videos from all posts from the blog. Refresh our blog, it's empty now, and let's run the importing now. We should see 5 dog related videos because we put in a dog video, and here they are. These are related videos to the dog video we put in. Okay, so these two are the new features available in the plugin in the latest update. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar news and check out my plugins. Okay, until next time, bye bye.